To a CTV News investigation. We're learning more about a shocking attack on a lawyer by someone tied to the GTA's troubled tow truck industry.
All of it from a judge who handed down a stiff sentence in a case where our justice system was threatened by organized crime. Our John Woodward joins us now. And John, how serious was this?
Michelle, it's serious enough. The attack drove these lawyers away from their jobs, trying to use legal tools to rein in corruption in the tow truck industry.
That's surveillance video of a shocking attack in a Vaughan parking lot 3 years ago. Shocking not just because of the shots fired, but because of the target. A Greater Toronto Area lawyer working for an insurance company suing some tow truck companies who have been engaged in a bloody war over turf on Ontario's highways.
If it was a professional job, I wouldn't be sitting here.
That's Lisa Carr talking to CTV's W5, saying she went into hiding. It wasn't the first attack. Earlier that year, someone threw gas containers and set a fire. Another time, a handgun was pointed at her and the trigger was pulled, but the gun jammed. Charged in the case, this man, 24-year-old Khalid Abderrazak. According to a court judgment, he pointed a gun at a woman he believed was Carr and told her, "You are suing the wrong people. Do you want to have kids? Do you want to grow old? Then stop suing my friend. This is your only warning." Shortly after, he fired 7 shots at the law firm while employees huddled inside. Abderrazak pleaded guilty and was sentenced to 12 years in jail. The judge particularly concerned because it was an attack on a lawyer. Acts of violence perpetrated against lawyers to intimidate them from representing their clients diligently and with commitment to the client's cause have no place in our civilized society. Such acts are serious crimes, said Madame Justice Fuerst.
The story of what happened to Miss Carr was harrowing. It's definitely not what anyone who goes to law school, becomes a lawyer, what they're expecting.
The effort to bring order to the tow truck industry has moved forward with new rules on 400 series highways and 2 guilty pleas from officers accused of sending some operators tips. But some key charges in a major investigation, Project Platinum, have been dropped as officials worried disclosing wiretap information would reveal the identity of an informant. Unfortunately, all this took its toll. Carr and others targeted no longer work in this area of law.
Abderrazak did apologize for his role in the hearing on November 30th. The judgment doesn't say which organization he was ultimately working for, so it is unclear if the alleged mastermind will do time for this as well. Reporting live, I'm John Woodward. Back to you.
All right, thank you, John. And if you have a story idea for CTV News Investigates, please let us know. You can email investigate@ctvnews.ca or visit our website for more secure and anonymous ways to get in touch.